Hi, I'm Wayne Zell. I'm an estate planning and business planning attorney in Virginia, Maryland, and the District of Columbia with over 25 years of experience in counseling thousands of clients. I'm talking about the basics of estate planning, and right now I'd like to discuss gift and death taxes. The gift tax and the death tax, or the federal estate tax, are part of a transfer tax system that's been in effect for over 70 years. And we expect it to be in effect for a long time in the future. As a transfer tax, the tax is imposed on the person making the transfer of property. So during your lifetime, if you happen to make a transfer of property to somebody else, you may be subject to gift tax. Now, the gift tax works something like this. If you make a gift of, say, $20,000 to your daughter, then a portion of it may qualify for an annual exclusion from the gift tax, which is increasing generally every year. The balance over and above the annual exclusion still may be exempt from gift tax if you have available to you your lifetime gift tax exemption, which has been $1 million for over 25 years. Upon your death, when you leave assets to your loved ones, a transfer tax may be imposed. In addition to having an estate tax, Maryland also may impose inheritance tax, which is imposed on the recipient on certain distributions. Estate tax rates, the death tax rates, can go as high as 16%. For federal purposes, you can actually deduct these taxes on the federal estate tax return if one has to be filed. In all cases, the executor or the personal representative of your estate is responsible personally for paying the death taxes from the assets of the estate or your trust. So if you're acting as an executor or a personal representative, remember that you, under federal law and state law, can be held personally liable for these taxes. So you need to be absolutely careful when you're distributing assets from an estate or a trust to make sure that you've got enough assets to pay the death tax first before you make the distribution, or at least make sure that there's no tax due before the distributions are made. So that's the basics of death taxes and gift taxes. Up next, I'm going to discuss guardianship and how to avoid it.